We light it on fire.
Oh,
Are you gonna record this? I'll kill you.
Texting Donnie.
Yeah, right, Lara.
I am.
If you're like Bridget, I'll kill you. Bridget
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Bridget recorded me when I was high. It was really rude.
It was really rude.
No,
Yeah.
Wait. Pull this out first. It's slippery.
Yeah, it's slippery.
Hey, or something. Come on. Nothing.
The whole carpet's wet.
You're wrong. I just need a key. Come on.
A key for what?
No, baby girl. Come on. Alright. But,
Baby girl.
That's me.
I want you to just pull this out. Oh.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, whoa. What?
What's big and go away?
Go, get in there, baby. Get in there. Get in there, mommy. Get in there, mommy.
The faggots are ass for it.
Get in there, mom. Watch it.
Oh my god. I should take the drink. I'm gonna wear all this red drink, and I want it. So
The red drink?